Good afternoon, everybody. This is Tyler Hill at MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida, your local Cruisers Yachts dealer. Today we're looking at a brand new arrival, a new 2024 34GLS with the new 400 V10 Mercuries on it. It's in the beautiful Kingston Gray Hull and new Havana interior color. It's absolutely beautiful. One of the biggest 34s on the market today. Great beam, very heavy boat. Heavy ride, feels more yachty, feels more like a 40-footer to me. Going back here, you have a reversible lounge seat here for when you're at anchor. This one's got the Perco flush kit on it for the engines. Stereo remote back here. Beautiful prep station back here for your barbecue, wet sink, cockpit fridge. This boat does have a diesel generator on it, so you can run your air conditioning and your barbecue while you're out. Look at the awesome seating is. You have two tables that you can mount or keep them stored away if you like. Forgot to show you the beautiful sure shade option here. Crucial for our South Florida market. Nice port side lounger here. Gorgeous double helm seat. This of course is joystick driven. JPL from Mercury. Beautiful twin Simrads. Simrad VHF radio. Rockford Fosgate stereo. Look at the attention to detail even on the visor here. Beautifully leather wrapped. They even put C-Deck up on the top here. Give it a great look, and you can actually leave a phone on there, it won't slide off. Subwoofer. Walk up to the bow, you got some storage here for dock lines. Beautiful C-Deck flooring. More stereo controls. Look how gorgeous this bow is. And there is a nice table that stores up here as well. Stores under that cushion. Your windlass anchoring system with foot controls here. Spinning around. Look at, they even embroidered the 34GLS into the headrest. So gorgeous. Take a quick look at the cabin. Now, this is a big day boat, but you can certainly do an overnight. I forgot to show you the second refrigerator here in the cockpit. Walking down these beautiful wood steps, beautiful wood floors. Look, you have another refrigerator in here. That's 3 on a boat on a 34. That's huge. Optional television. This table here can be converted to make this one big berth. Microwave TV up here, your head unit for the stereo system. This is your mid cabin back here. It's a big single. I have it stuffed with pillows right now. And look at a gorgeous stand-up head and shower on the boat. Boat has a little bit of everything. So perfect for our South Florida market. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. We'll do a quick little panorama of our gorgeous marina here. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Bye for now.